Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about actual ways to make money online through affiliate marketing and why you haven't been successful in the past. So stay tuned, it's going to be a jam-packed video. We're going to jump right into it. Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be talking about making money online, working from home, mainly through affiliate marketing. If you don't know who I am, I go by Digital Entrepreneur from EliteDigitalEntrepreneur.com. And if this is your first time to my channel, just make sure that you hit that little red subscribe button and smash the bell notification icon so that you can stay up to date on all my newest videos. And so for today's videos, I'm going to be talking about making money specifically online with affiliate marketing and some of the mindset that you have to have and why maybe you haven't been successful in the past. As you can see, I've kind of changed up my style a little bit. I want this to be a little bit more raw, a little bit more real, unedited, or at least as little edit as possible, because I just want to kind of change up a little bit to more of a vlog type of content on my channel. So I'm just kind of walking around through my home making this video on the fly. Now, if you've always wanted to, like I said, make money online, you haven't been successful, a couple of reasons is, number one is just make sure you always focus on the mindset. If you have that broke mentality, if you've had the mindset of, someone who just doesn't, who always wants to make money online, but you're always thinking about negativity, negative things, and you've always been kind of stuck in a rut. You've always been kind of in the same place. You really are motivated. You really want to succeed online, and yet for some reason you can't kind of get past that barrier. And so that's kind of what I want to talk to you about today. My thing has always been affiliate marketing. So my journey through affiliate marketing has always been, making passive income online specifically. Because with affiliate marketing, what I love about it is basically you can actually market other people's products. You're basically the professional middleman, and you get paid a commission basically for just marketing, getting people to come to their product or service, and then once they make that sale, you get paid a commission. And that's what I love about affiliate marketing, is that you don't have to have any physical products, any physical service, any types of service. You don't have to stock inventory, so you don't have to have a warehouse like drop shipping or anything like that. You don't have to work with outside vendors. A lot of people, Amazon FBA, you have to work with Amazon, fulfillment of products and whatnot. And so with affiliate marketing, you don't have to go through all that headaches. Basically, it's a triple win situation. It's a win for the customer or client, because you are connecting with them with a product or service that they were originally looking for. So it's a win for them. It's a win for the vendor or the seller, because obviously they made a sale, they're happy. And it's a win for you as the affiliate, because you're in the middle, you're connecting the client, the buyer, the customer with the the product, service, the seller. And so everybody's in a win-win-win situation, a triple win situation. And so that's another reason why I really love affiliate marketing. It can be done passively once you have everything set up in the beginning. Everything else in the back end, basically, if you set it up correctly, is basically passive income. And so that's what I love about affiliate marketing. And so how do you start with affiliate marketing? Where do you go? What do you do? Basically, I always recommend people to look at marketing and making money online in different ways. And so one of the ways that I always recommend people is try to find a high ticket product that you can actually promote, because a lot of times if you are finding products online that offer $5, $10, $15 or whatever on their product or service, you're not making a whole lot, especially if you're new to this. And you're trying to promote it through paid advertisements, whether it's through Google ads, Bing ads, whatever, Facebook, whatever ways of promoting it that you're actually, paying for promotion of their products and services. A lot of times, especially with the newbies, beginners in affiliate marketing, they make the mistake of trying to go all in, paying $300, $500 to promote these ads or services without actually knowing what they're doing. They don't create a landing page, a funnel, email follow-ups, etc. And so a lot of new beginners with affiliate marketing and digital marketing, all they do is they direct link everything over to that product or service, not knowing what to do in the back end and how to follow up. So essentially, when you're not doing that, you're losing out on a lot of customers, a lot of sales potentially. And so people direct link, you're not capturing anyone's information. They're just kind of going through your link, and nothing about them. You're not really tracking who's coming in and out. And so once you set yourself up with like a funnel, you're tracking who comes in and out of your funnels, your landing pages, and you're capturing their emails, their names. What happens is your conversions start to go up, and the reason is because people who actually want that product or service that you're selling, that they're looking for, right? And so if you capture their email, if they're actually willing to give you their name and email, their chances of actually buying into that product or services skyrockets way up, just because they're taking that extra step to give you their name, their phone number, email, whatever it is. That means they're more serious of a buyer, because 90% of what you're gonna sell online, you're probably 90% of people that come through your site or your web page, whatever, 90% of those people are probably not gonna buy from you. Once you start capturing those people's names and emails, those people that you capture, they actually are more serious. And so your conversions of those people that you have actually captured their names, their emails, you'll see their conversions starting to go up because they are serious. They've told you, look, I'm serious enough to give you my name, my email, some of my personal information such as that. And it allows you to follow up with them. So if you set up yourself with a funnel and an email autoresponder, and check the link down below. Actually, you can get a discount. You can get a free trial for some of these email provider services, the autoresponders. Just check the link in the description below. You can use Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane. Those are a couple that I personally have used before. Some of them I still use, and I believe they are great email autoresponder services. So check the link in the description below if you do need an email subscription autoresponder service. So with that said, once you have their name and their email, you can follow up with them. Typically, depending on the niche, whether or not you're in the MMO, make money online niche, or the health and fitness industry, or relationships, right? So number one, you want to find a niche that is a evergreen niche. So number one, MMO, make money online, health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the three. So wealth meaning make money online. Number two, the health, which is like health and fitness, dieting, etc. And then relationships. Those are typically the evergreen niches that you'll want to start promoting and finding products or services in those three typical categories. I would not recommend that you do any of these three if you are doing it simply to make money. I would highly recommend you pick a niche that you actually have an interest in. So if you want to be in the MMO, or otherwise acronyms for make money online niche, then just make sure that you're doing it for the right reason, doing it to help people. Obviously everybody wants to make money, but with the MMO niche, just understand that it does take more time and effort with the make money online niche, as opposed to like the health and relationship niche, because generally more people are searching for how to lose weight, how to lose belly fat, how to get lean, how to get ripped, how to lose 5 pounds. Those are actually search terms that are searched a lot more often than how to make money online, how to work from home, etc. So You'll want to kind of start with those if you actually have an interest in working out, if you have an interest in getting fit, if you work out daily, and you believe in eating healthy. Maybe you want to start in the health niche. If you are, someone who loves to give advice on relationships, and you love talking to friends about, who's dating who and whatnot, you may want to start with the relationship niche. Just make sure, like I said, whatever niche you pick, just make sure that it is a niche that you have somewhat of an interest in, so that you can actually relate. Because when you start driving traffic, if you decide to go the free route, the organic route, whether or not it's making YouTube videos like this, or Instagram, whatever, people can actually see whether or not you are actually being real. And so, like I said, if you are simply in it because you want to make money within that niche, but you have no interest, you have zero belief in that niche, then people can actually see that coming through the camera. So, like I said, pick a niche that you have an interest in, and then kind of run with it. Like I said, the reason people aren't making money with affiliate marketing, making money online, is number one, is their mindset, and number two, they just haven't found the right the niche, because they're simply in it trying to make money rather than actually believing in that product, service, or industry. And so, like I said, those two things alone will help you, skyrocket as far as actually generating leads. People can see that you're a little bit more authentic. Your belief system goes up once you start seeing the leads actually come in, and then eventually it leads to sales, right? And so those two things are number one. But then, like I said, I always recommend trying to find something that's a little bit high ticket. So whatever it is, whether it's health, wealth, or fitness, relationships, make sure that you find something that has a little bit higher payouts. I've seen products that initially go for 40, 50, 60%, but as you're selling it, initially in the beginning, it's a little bit lower, but in the back end, as they're getting the value ladder added to those sales, I've seen these high ticket products or services actually give you up to 100% after the initial offer. So in the back end, there's upsells, and eventually, you'll start seeing those huge commissions. And that's what you really want to look for. It's just something that you can promote, but actually gives you those bigger commissions from those higher dollar sales. And so if this is your very first time to my channel, I hope that you gained some value from this video. I hope that you can give me some comments as to what you think about my new style of my videos. Like I said, I want to be a little bit more raw, a little bit more vlog type of style, but I want to be real with you guys. And so drop me a comment below if this is your first time to my channel. Like I said, make sure you smash the red subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so that you can stay up to date on all my newest videos. And I will see you guys on the next video.